Good afternoon and happy Sunday, guys. Ko ai mai te whakaowala. Alonga po whaile hustle lea online and we had fun doing it because I did it with hubby. But Maloloina Soifua le lawa uma ia wheawa le tae au. Ia o atu nei fuwhanga la iti fo ia fo I mei ala ia whaisinga moe. Ia lawa ala mai lo whalikuka loa whawhokanga mea ka kia ia le lo whalikuka mo le afiafi. Yeah, and le lawa whai ako singa live le talo whalai malo whaanga ponga whai ele ma live ilunga o le Samoa Finau ia po le ikulau lea sorry guys, I'm not accepting any co-host at the moment. Sorry, I'm just doing my live to talk about my business. Sorry, I'm live on both Facebook and TikTok. So look, ngai requests my long ole TikTok. I'm not accepting anyone like to talk about business. So anyway, last night, first time that we shared about our business opportunity and our products and towards the end of the live, which was 2 hours. So I did share it about the business. So talofa love everyone. So mo ilato ele sila fia ya lewa savali le fitu masina le na fitu masina talo ono ono ye to tono le $10 membership club. Yeah, bio faatasi mauaina online business ia mana I o tātou tangata Samoa lo ngalui faatasi ia mai si tangata o Pasifika lo matou ngalui faatasi. Ia le lawa le matou pisinisi la ia matou oloa a bio na sila mai le ia matou oloa ia organic. They're all organic products. This is organic coffee. So o matou oloa la mwhaiona matou faatauina mwhaiona matou sell latu. We can buy and use the product and we can sell them. But hi Peata, but wa fitu masina talu ona o ye tono pokalame nei ma wa leva foi ona o faangaina o ia oloa ale business ale company ma tu faangaina mauaina tele o nga mauaina I mai foi le tino sa fianga ye pe tai taluai ona le faamolusia I matou e faatau atu products. Lena earn lava my business side of the business. The compensation plan or the ASOA or the run or the online business ma earn I le mai aso taitasi. So every Friday or matou pay day and every every first Friday of every month is a double pay because it's more my weekly pay and our monthly pay. So fitu le masina o whaonga ia le earning le whaisa posta ko ngai runga lo TikTok ia la o whaakau ngai ngā usua ngai mau se whaima whaatau se lau mong kupu ma whaakau ia le ngā whaonga la o card o le pisingisi insert le card o le pisingisi e konge le shopping. So o wala ngā tupi ana maua tupi o whaonga e whainisi o video sa whaasoa atuai le whaonga le card le ATM. So all these income lewa mata lena maua mai maua mai lea ala le whaasoa ina o le tūtau pisinisi lava ia e mo I lava o le whaonga products ia pa mātou tele I o au lava ia personal tele I faatauina lava se products at company o ke le I sell linga ko lava se products at company only because o loke nga manga o ila waya ba ai fenga yo wa ang ka kanga kai whaakau ia e selling your products when you they say business ile selling my products but anyway ia ila to all matou team if you feel la to if atau ia sell your products so o makola ia focus ai le business side It be mako every Friday. So last week, sa mauaina mako pila so coffee on ol makampangi kong Amerika. I on the Thanksgiving Day la let's fale le langa lenga vave pay. So we got our pay earlier, because of Thanksgiving Day. So we got paid on Thursday. So we only get paid on Friday. Every Friday, I vai aso kai kasi o nge mako. So o aonga renga I vai aso. Ia ngai whakarkalila ia next Friday ia wāwhinge wa sauli le tutongi ia mo i lātou olo tono bisinisi ia ngā lua la ia o kongi le vai aso mō masinga. Anyway, o tangata o matou team le lau ke saulinga products. They don't have to wait until payday. They don't have to wait until Friday or Thursday Amerika to get paid, because Aogā saulekanga kai whailanga pay ile Sunday. E whailanga oka le Sunday. E pay ya o e maua yalang polofiki ile Sunday. Afa pēlai o mangalva yaso, o kofuale aso markanga kai whailanga oka, which is, it's going really well. Kai mingai o ngā makanga kele kanga kale wa lato faatauina ia matou oloa o ngai lato so umangela lava ia so ko alima ko ngo kanga kai nga faila ko oka I wa kele fa ngal ko pe ko ngolau kanga so I love what they do. Our boss lady Nevi Base Sydney o ia la malanga team la ko wai e lau ki running le business le lau ki fa mo ale selling le products, and at the same time while they're selling the products, because o le kele o lako customers e whaonga e ingo loa vai ia po le hae lava le mai o le tino e mawai e au ngā loa ia le vai ia lako ia products ia lako. Next time e manga o I oka o manga o lako e whai lako membership is fukala ko ngi lako fukala membership I le masinga o ngai taugofie ai le tau o lato hai ina e taugofie ai le tau o lato products so it's really good. So you're killing two birds with a kasi. So that's what they've been doing anyway. I knew the soy products. So last night it was not planned. And page. So we started talking about the products. It wasn't a full-on product presentation. I just mentioned that I'm part of this $10 membership. Where we can have, access to, very affordable, high quality, all organic, vegan friendly products. So, and I'm taking my products now. I'm taking some of my products. These are not fala out. Elengi medicine ni me ia elengi fala out me ia so fala out la lea magnesium. Like meaning up. Oh my! If I'm a bella kala before I go off track. So and we've got a lot of people interested. The one reach out to my kangaka or interested in the business side of things. And that's something that I do every day. Like I share the information mukangaka. Afia makalako pisingisi, we get them started, or we get some of the team to help them get started. But the products, remember, this is the first time I've actually talk. I've done posts before on our page about the products, but it was just me using the products. But last night was the first time that I actually advertised that I can sell these products, because I believe in these products and I'm willing to sell the products. So I only shared, I can see Sister Ina, I only shared, hi Neva, shared about one product, which is oloa lea. I don't have the products right now because le faka o kango oka. But kango share ia le story si o so le ina without mentioning your name. Ilungo le ola o laivanga po ma laivanga po le vanga nga ki nga vai. I'm so amazed ilanga story nga yefie se vai muli umi asoia. Ia awa makawaliang haila iyo nga vai mo wafengkanga nga lailunga le steps. I hope you don't mind me sharing your story, sis. So, but I did say that because a little friend o kahala le oloa le wokele o mako products le wokele o kamo moa. On a little friend, if I may we're around the same age, we live around the same area. If I may ki ngai o ngā kuli o ngā ianga ko anga malosia langa fala ya soia sa fai langa fala. And that's what made me thought o longa winga o le mako ko kele o kanga ksa mo le mo le isu le mo isi usolia awai kele kanga ksa mo langa fala or whatever reason le anga yo kulia. So I did talk about that one product last night. E o mangan malai awa meli mai ia le uso me lungai gains. For mai o yefi manga o more information about the products le o ngai le pongai kingo. So I sent her my website because a part of our business it wants it kong ilola lima sfukala USD. In my website but mga build a company you don't have to do anything else. So I went to the specific products request my so and I sent her the products within 2 minutes, and she got back to me and say, okay, I want that, and I want the factor 4, which is, I do have the factor 4. She quickly, ole mako website, ole whaingo fia very specific information and details. Whaingo fia nga log in, maka, kasi ale page mua loa, pe au ngale products ya without even clicking on learn more to learn more about the products. Kikilo kuai le summary ole products loa au nga ya and this is a test for me because ele lango sending on the website ile usolia. Kali mai fai mai, okay mga ole osteo, which is the products leo ngai ponga ivy, mo ke mga o ile factor 4, which is one of our most popular products ile kai minga ya. Ken le yo kang sam wale mga factor 4. Ole factor 4. And I'm not making any medical claims here, but so it support healthy. Let me read out what's on the factor 4. Healthy heart support for your joints and organ health. It promotes immune health and it support healthy circulation. Ole sanga ya February, July, ngalo loko loi Samoa. Ai whanongo me wo mai ole mwhaingop sa vali ai saua le pasi le sia songa mai kai ngalo wenga o ke kua kulunga o ka le mwhaingop kulunga. I could hardly touch the ground. So whaapea kai ai se me wavenga umakoi kia. Ai o maenga oka, it went up to 7 weeks. 7 weeks o la ki stuck le fale. I could not walk. I can only walk from my room to my desk o ke whainga luenga. It was a struggle. And I went through a lot of testing. But I went to my first doctor. I diagnosed my suka. So I went to the second. Oh, thank you for the love, Sue. So I went to the second doctor for a second opinion. But you're on your way there. So, you're on your way to Gaulanga Sweel of Diet and all of these things. So they thought that maybe why not only that I could hardly videos even my phone I struggle to hold. There's no muscles in my hand joints test. Oh, so many tests and they all came clear. Elaisemia ya whainge elaisemia whale kong ngā popole la ela le test ngā popole ia le ofoma longa luana ngā walai whai mai maybe ele type of a very intense type of arthritis. So she thought beia oike mawale arthritis. So hopefully that's not the case. Thank you guys. Thank you Sue for the gift and the love on TikTok. Thank you, appreciate that. So a mai loyal for my so me lying I've recommended my for my and I'm not lying there and there's a lot of people at church and my friends who knew that I was going through a lot of health issues even a few months ago. August, September. So prescribed more my for my more le vitamin D le akake ile bottle from the for my I don't know if it is bottle my I had a bottle from before my vitamin D like ilaiki o ele lava le vitamin D kongolo kingo o ngā alawhaila umalola ia whai mai lola i o le sifo mai ringa walwai a waku ia lau steroid. I don't know, I thought o le steroid e makua I don't know about much about medication, but ngaka o mai lo le steroid o whewhelua, and she said very strict. She gave me a very, very strict order for my maka for 3 days e kolu e lua whala au, and then for the next 3 days or 2 days e kasi, and then half e umalo sifulua so umalo. I'm not allowed to take more than that because I think they're very strong. And she said, umalolanga ave nga whaongalo steroids, umalonga ingu steroids. And then I'm going to prescribe you some magnesium. O sau nga o sau lo o kalua mo vai. Mind you, wale wanga o ye kongo le $10 club. Wale wanga o lo ye lako product. As okay afai. I'll get back to you, Noi, about the products. I think they're around $24 and $23 USD. Ili whala le factor for a member. If you're a member, it's about $17-18. So very, very affordable. Ia mako whala American sa eula o super family. So off track. So o sauloa o kalomo vai no way, I'm not going to take those medication, but lo amakanga wingo le factor le vitamin D le ngamai for mai ke loa ngaka ngu mai o fala a wingo loa kasi alva ya song ngwe o fala a wa amakanga o savali kong fale amakanga by the second week ko fo I ngalwenga wo wal kwenga o makwai okay ya na o afai. So this was the main thing, the factor for help you reduce the inflammation in Kongo Kingo. So I ordered the back. I was so amazed. Ilo lako kilauke na kulunga le website al mako company. So many products la yai le kalango me for my I mankola made for my medication but ours are organic supplement, health supplement. So I took the factor for. I ordered the health wellness pack, which mai oloa le ngaka it focus I le inflammation, I me lack o lo kingo le magnesium and vitamin D, but it's way for ilama. $24.95 Ina. Thank you so much. Thanks for helping, sis. $24.95 noi ia le le factor 4 USD. So sawelama le super green, which got all of your Sawemale super green, which helps boost my immune system, energy and recovery, stress support, digestive health. So overall, what kelo kaime ka le diet kako sa muele lava ia veggies ikong kakomia aya. So I was taking that drink together with the super red. Super red, it helps with your cardiovascular health. It promotes, health circulation. It's good for the heart as well. And it promotes, it lay for immortal brain. So what I was doing is I was taking these fakasi, I was taking those two together, if I as drink. Ingolola ia factor 4, which is, I think I've got one more to go. Alfala aule, it's jelly. Ingoloma factor 4, and then replace loa le vitamin D le mai le medication nga mai for mai ile kamale. So this is our vitamin D mako le afinge ale and mako kampangi ole bottle le I think as a member it's around $8 e valuka lale ole affordable le mako loa ya la ko lo la kamale magnesium, which is one of the kilo le mangisia le fakaka ko Samoa, so something like that. So this is the magnesium. Maximize muscle, nerve, and energy support. Ole ma ngai kamala le ke moe le yai ingula towards I take it towards the end of the day. So this time I'll take it so I take one today now and take another one before I sleep. So makamayala nga uwingo iya ia vai mai ngoi fo loko lua maua nga vai ya maua ya health wise. I can't see the products when you pull it up in the camera. Oh, hi Sue. Okay, so this is, so I put it on the, so TikTok. This is, but I can send you, this is magnesium. And this is the factor 4. Oh, I run out. That's my last one of the factor 4. So this is the one e Aogā pe Afai le ngungu maua ia le afuenge ia le kele le inflammation kongo kakokingo, which is one of the reason it causes a kele problem ia. This one. So let me take my tablet. So whatever la ngai mai o fala au mai a fia. Au kuso se tema kalunga wingua mai ia supplemental kapangi au kele isa linga. Also we have a multivitamin. Look guys, this is jelly. These are supplements. They're not fala out, they're not an side effect or mako products are why organic. They're all organic products. And my vitamin D. Just knowing that you're putting the good stuff in your body, I am. So that's my supplements for, of course, no side effects are wailing. They're all organic. If you've got going to be organic mako products, everything is on the website. Click on the link in my bio. Both TikTok and Facebook, click on the link in my bio. And I'll, there's a website there where you can scroll through and have a look at the products. But this is our products, our mole cuts. Like this is our product that's similar. I don't know if you call it cut support. Yeah, similar. Sorry for mentioning a product, but I'm just mentioning something. Excuse me, I believe it's 20 something. He told me in the morning, my husband started loving our vitamin D. Of course, it is good. But can someone check the price of the cart support? $21.95. Oh, see, this is what I love about what we do in our team. Our team is helping me give me the price. $21.95. You don't have to spend, a fortune to get something to help you with your cut. And it's organic prebiotic complex delay release capsule. One of the most powerful things, because or your cut, which is course there's a delayed release capsules. What it means is that it's designed when you take this tablets and I use kanken water, it take tablets so that if I ngofie on kanken water, vitamins but with the cut support, it's already designed a delay longer release. So if I now king a cut, it's low longer releasing. We're taking all the other good supplements to get rid of the toxin, to get rid of all the bad stuff. But we need to have enough of the good, the good stuff in our body, fighting the bad guys in our bodies. So this one is designed to stay longer within your cut, so that fighting bacteria and bad bacteria. Amazing, right? Amazing. Cut support. So if I be like if for live if you ain't meta I get it affording at least allow mo ko po le meta. This is $21.95 my business partner. Sorry guys on TikTok. I'm doing this live in Samoan, but let me know if so $21.95 for this box of cut support. There's 60 capsules in it, so 30 servings. So $21.95. But if you are a member, you only pay $16.95 for this supplement, and it's pretty amazing, right? And it's organic. It comes, all of our products comes with 90-day money back empty bottle guarantee. What it means is, you know, ngā kampangia kari kongo ya lako products. E lau ke whaia le, lau ke ofanga ko i ngā kamanga o money back guarantee, empty bottle o longa winga. Nkai nga whaakau mai lau ko sa akoa lea mga ingun masinga akoa. A umangan masinga akoa I lea o ngā, eke you feel that ele I se o ngā le vai mo oi. You can return the empty box and you refund your full money. And that's something that a company e kari kongo. Mary, can you come get me some water so I can take my supplement, please? Now, let's find out online. Otherwise, we won't offer 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. If you want to try our products, try it. Give it a go. Buy these products and give it a go. All of our products, it comes with a month or a month supply. Return it, to take it back, but I guarantee you're not going to do that because you will feel amazing after you take our products. Anyway, back to our live last night. Oh, kala, monole kanga kai hustle la. Sorry. Koe vai me aka, koe palaka me vai vela mole. I need it for. What? I'm water. Sorry guys. Okay, aka monole kanga kai hustle la. Afai. You know, kako, we can do anything for our kids. I'm just sharing it. It's a random live today just to talk about my experience today. I've been inspired by Niva, La Niva Malele online radio. So the way that she so passionate about our products. Sorry, Toyota, I'll speak English. So I've been inspired by one of my business partner. Hi, Denise, who, you know, she's so passionate about, you know, sharing our products because she comes from a background where it was, you know, all sales orientation. They had to sell products. So she's got that knowledge and that skill, and she loves selling. And she's got all these customers with her who used to spend a lot of money to buy their products, but she's now offering something very affordable to the same customers who are, you know, want nothing but, you know, to have better health. So, but, you know, I was too busy to learn about the products. You know, I wasn't really ready to come out and share about the products. And last night, so today, right now, my older daughter and my baby, they're at the Gold Coast. Our children's ministry, they're on a day, had their day out today. So they're going to a theme park to play. So we went to the theme park. I took my 8-year-old to the theme park 2 weeks ago. We didn't spend any money. We didn't spend any money at all. The only thing, I only spent $5 to buy myself a gold drink. Add effect using hand gestures. So last night, my older daughter was taking my 8-year-old. She said, I need $100, you know, for your daughter because, you know, I think she's a bit fussy when she goes with her siblings. And I said, you don't need to spend money. Food is already paid for by the children's ministry. You don't really need to spend money. And she said, oh, okay, I just need something for backup. And I said, okay. So it was so funny because we went live last night, and I got a sale. I got my first sale. The first time I talk about these amazing products on TikTok, someone reached out and say, "Oh, I want this product," and it cost her. It cost her just over $100. Over masilaka lalika o anga products nga Aogā, which is a whole monthly supply of the factor 4, which helps with the inflammation, and the whole monthly supply of the osteo, which is products lea nga mo joints ma ponga ivi ki nga kuli ki nga ponga ivi kaya mo mai ponga ivi. So she's got her whole month supply of the 2 products. O kaya alu sa oi lungai canes ke lopo mai mo mai si soleleng pailanga o kanga po. So I ordered the so she sent money so I can place her order. So I sent her my website and I said you can either order your own products or I can order it for you. So I was just saying e angale loi kanga ka e lau bisingisi ma mele ke faia. Pea e ngofo ke le fasoa. Since if I do my order today, how many days it takes to arrive, please? It normally takes up to 2 weeks for us here in Brisbane, here in Australia, sis. 2 days for our order to arrive. So yeah, if you do it today, it should arrive within 2 weeks. Now is a good time to place the order because we're heading towards the busy time of the year. So you don't want your order to get stuck in the post with all the Christmas orders. So yeah. Get your order in, sis, and what are you thinking of ordering? And if you're part of our team, can you comment what your favorite product is if you're already using our products? Can you share on my live, please, if you don't mind, what products that you're using, and if there's any stories that you would like to share with us, for people who will get this live, they can at least see some comments in the comments. But what products are you thinking of buying, sis? Gayla. I bought the passion fruit today, which passion fruit that I paid with my business money. I'm proud of that. Lewa vela sakalo. And I've got salmon to put in the oven. We're having dinner with my in-laws when they come back from the theme park. They almost got fang out. So they're like, hi, Sitsa. I mean, I should not say fala, the supplement. We can maximize our order. American, get me a towel, please. We can maximize our earning by selling the products. We sell the products. End of the day, we don't have any points to chase. We don't have any quotas to meet. No pressure. No pressure from your upline. No pressure from the company. No pressure at all. Once you join the business, you are the CEO of your own business.
The whole thing?
What do you mean the whole thing?
The whole...
No, give me my... there's another one in the fridge.
The whole of the hot water?
No, I want to... Huh?
Just put hot water.
Sorry, guys. For you, se vai con le oloo. Is there still enough water?
Yeah.
Just put maybe 1 cup, not the whole thing. It's Hi, Sita. How's your day? Where's your stocks? The pack of stocks. I need it for my support. Thank you for the gift, you guys on TikTok. Thank you so much for the love and support. Retail price. Oh yeah. Anything else? Can someone check the price of the D3 You know, we have our multivitamin as well. Our multivitamin, we have 3 types of multivitamin A available in Kongol Mako Company. Oh, sorry guys. Multivitamin na lea aki nga awhawhingi e ko kongole iron. If I so soangi, it's designed specifically for the women because there's enough iron in there, which is a healthy menstrual, period so kako ila iki ia e le mga oi maua maiki nga Aogā aila le multivitamin kinga. There's iron in there. It's designed specifically for that reason, and there's 24. It's got vitamin A, B, C, D, E, G, K, all sorts of vitamin. Iko kongo ole mako multivitamin. Aogā ia ale lava le vitamin I kongo le kingo kangaka. Ia e mauaina ka ko mele ole fatigue ole le lava and maka hair loss, or the eyesight wa maka nga leanga ia nova ai. So if you are, having those issues, it's maybe you should look at the multivitamin. And our multivitamin cost, and let's see if there's anyone online who can give us the cost of the multivitamin. It's very affordable as well. I think it's less than $20. Multivitamin there. It comes with 60 capsules as well. So that's your your whole month supply. It's recommended. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. It's recommended to take the multivitamin ilikayao before you start your day. It gives you that boost because I think one of the vitamin multivitamin there, it gives you energy, that energy boost. So if I feel like you're taking it towards the end of the day, it will keep you awake at night. So if you're taking the multivitamin, it should help with your eyesight. $9.95 for a whole month supply of multivitamin. Again, it's organic. If you're not a member, if you're a customer and you're interested, it's $16.95. Thank you so much. Look guys, I love our team. We're all just helping together with getting these informations out there. Thank you ladies, thank you boss ladies. So $16.95 le bottle le multivitamin. So if I build oily we'll go through the menopause. So you might be careful because you don't need the iron. So unless they're recommended for my iron or low kingo. So if I build low iron, take this. We have men's. Mary, can you find me the men's multivitamin? Men's multivitamin. It is iron products, but you can take multivitamin kameki, which is ole kami lamu kameki le kami is good for their brain, or develop the brain kameki, their energy. So even though there's multivitamin for men and multivitamin for women, it's totally okay and safe to take, for men to take the women's one. Le iron ni kongo la kokingo okay for motina mela tinale, like I said, tinale wa over lunga kausanga like around 50 go through the menopause and they don't really need the iron in their body for that menstrual period reason. They can take the men's multivitamin. They can take oloo. Low iron, it's always the issue. So my life for my iron tablet my inga level of iron long king. So what we've been doing, because I ordered both multivitamin for women and men. So let's see multivitamin women so he take for 1 week the women's multivitamin, and then the other week he takes the men's multivitamin because it eyesight. So lela wa makanga wa ingu fo ya fala au makuanga ingu consistently. Ya lela fai mai lawa ye fo ile suwinga langa fa along. So this is your multivitamin. There's so many products. We do have a lot of products. Go through our website. You can order your products yourself. Very affordable. You know, because I'm a member, part of one of the benefit on Makosfukala membership, because how come you pay $50 to join the business and then you pay $10 a month? So it's a membership. You pay $10 to get your membership, and what you get out of the membership, they build a membership in Netflix. Movies. So our membership we have exclusive member price. So instead of being like comment you saw if I may Afai or as a member, you can use you can pay $9.95. If you're not a member, you can pay $16.95. So you save a lot when you become a member. And even if you're not running the business, you can still just become a member, just so that you can get discounted price for the products, because it saves you money in the long run. So you don't have to run a business in order to buy the products. You can just have a membership just so that you can get affordable products, right? Oh, hi, Asita. Yeah. Oh, hi. I was just talking about you and your order last night. All right. I'm a diabetic person. You know what? I stopped all my diabetic tablets and injections at matou lean 8. Oh, are you a member, sis? Super red, green, and coffee sa amatelia solua. Oka sa tele le swinga. Let me read this again. Sis, let me know if you aren't a member, okay? Because I thought that these are your first product. But let me know if you're a member. I'm gonna read Isita's comment. I'm a diabetic person. You know what? I stopped all my diabetic tablets and injections. I am lean 8, super red, lean 8. This is lean 8, and super red and coffee. Okay, super red and coffee. This is what she's taking. Okay. Okasitele swing a lot of tino before I can't do cleaning or kill my mauaina and anything else. But now I feel amazing. Maua na mama loka kingo wa itanei tino puta I Faafetai le uso ya la niva malele o yesa o moilo aito products. Thank you for the tour, Deb, sis. Oh, so you've been taking our products, sis. Wow. You know what? That is absolutely amazing. I'll message you after with Laniva. But thank you for sharing your story. My advice is we're not doctors, so we don't stop medication, but go back to your doctor. Go back to your doctor. Maybe take your medication and I read for my siaki po le alkulanga wa yellow. So they might either reduce your intake or low insulin le whaonga lo whanau, or they might stop it at all. E liking and makotimi Amerika Samoa. Ma if you skinny ya ASOA mai for ya ngalong for my loka ofi me sa failonga kuya loka ofi me for my o nga lewa wakilele swing nga products my encouragement nga ye ko nga ingulanga products. So I like everyone to go, to say go back to your doctors to get your products, to get your health check. Ya mabakwe ko le confirmation ya oibe ko fa o products pele ai. But thank you, Sita, for sharing that. Oh, yum. I don't know. Okay, yeah. If you love the products, Sita, if you love the products moving forward, when you place your next order, it will save you a lot of money. You don't have to become an affiliate. You can just pay your membership, your $10 it's $10 a month, but then whatever you order, it's discounted, and it work out rather than you paying order it in retail price all the time. And you want to get the benefit from you sharing your story and sharing the products, then you can just pay the $40 to upgrade. But that's that can come after you decide to share your amazing stories. But for now, to save more money in your pocket, that becoming, just adding in that $10 membership will help you save money in the long run and get your health products. I won't go missy. All right, that's it. Oh, yum. Miri kima yalmo lifa mon mole. So, sorry, Alif, I put dessert, ma. Sita, are you watching? Or are you working? But fakupula ia lo ngawe e share ia le product. Oh. The one that Esita is taking place. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. So you guys on TikTok. TikTok was not giving me updating the messages. May Benny Lord, the one that Esita is taking place. Ina, if you're still here, how about May, my business partner Ina can reach out to you and have a chat with you about your order. And place your order through her, if Ina is still here. But if not, the one that Esita is taking, are you talking about the one that she ordered last night or the one that she's been taking? So, o products yung ASOA mai ele fatoia Esita. She takes this. She writes it. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, Miri, can you turn off the oven, please? Miri, can you turn off the oven, please? Yeah, so she takes the super green and the super red. Am I right? Sita, you've got these and the lean. So these are the lean and the coffee. Oh, and the factor 4. I think all of these products, if you're a member, will cost you just over $100. If you are a member, the one that takes. But if you're referring to, okay, I'll call my sister Ina. Perfect, love it. Ina will help you with your order, sis. And you can go through her website and check out the price. Even check out the difference when you purchase as a retail customer and when you purchase as at a wholesale level as a member, okay, because it saves you money in the long run. So that's what I'm so. Hi Sue, hi again, welcome back again. So glad, and it's I can't wait to share more about these products. Last week our leadership team we huddled and we shared about the products. Oh my gosh, amazing. The kaini nga maka SFI ala o mindset the kaini nga maka ile nga o fasoa ia le pisingisi le nga o le mga o faakause products. I wasn't even interested in the products at all. I just want something where I can just run an online business on my phone and not have to sell the products. I'm drinking my coffee. So this is our organic coffee. So I had my coffee in the morning. Fiber for weight management, maker for mental clarity, and green tea for brain. So maaye lo mafau relax sai o melkelo le stress. And weight management. So are you a member, Sue? And have you placed your order? That's awesome. That's great. I can't wait for everyone to try our products. So they're super amazing. I'm drinking my coffee. I bought this cup from Kmart. It only cost me $10 for this Kmart. Wow, big Kmart. Morning sun. Okay, morning. Thank you so much. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Morning sun. So, I just need something cheap. If I available, so I can take my coffee in the morning. So first day I did my coffee in here. I took it to the office. It got me a little break at 1 o'clock. I made my coffee in the morning, like around 6:30 a.m. because I leave early. And like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's still nice and warm. Perfect time to drink. I'm like, oh, this is so good. This is so good. So $10 cup from Kmart. Delaying my coffee. Coconutty. Thank you. Thanks for joining the live. I'm talking about our organic products. We offer a 90 days money back empty bottle guarantee. So you can try it. If it doesn't work, you can take it back and refund your money. But I bet you will never, I can assure you, you will not do that, because you will feel amazing when you start taking our products. Oh, we're coming out with more things about our products. Our goal is to, like, as Samoans, you know, there's so many products out there, all great products from other companies, but all the difference or oloa affordable. When you buy our products, you're not paying us through the cost of the product. Hi, Foti. Hi, Uku. $10 membership, which is why the company is able to keep our products at a very, very low cost. So, much affordable. If you're spending $180 or $200 on one or two products from a different company, that $2 can give you like 8 products, like 5 to 10 products from our company, depending on what products that you order and if you become a member. Products are amazing, honestly. Saves you a lot of money, and our products are all organic. All the ingredients, all the testings that goes into our products, the certificates are all available on our website. I just heard on the corporate live recorded webinar yesterday about NAD coming. Oh man, there's so many new things coming, and it's so good. I can't wait. I know this company is going places, because it's very hard to compete with a company that just come out, like the technology. So if I being because they changed the game, instead of making us distributors and making their products expensive, so they just changed the whole game. We are affiliates. We just promote the membership, and the more people who over 2 million people in this business, in this company, or members in the company, in the space of 3 years. And can you imagine, there's a whole lot of people who are only focusing on the business side of things. Like me, when I first started, I was only doing the business side of things, only sharing the business until last night. But can you imagine if at least 1 million of those 2 million, at least half of those people are buying the products? This company is making a lot of money by their own members buying their products. Neva, yes, she loves the product. We might need to look at getting her as a member. So because she loves the products and she's ordering more products, we might need to look at getting her a membership. $10 a month will save her, save her money in the long run. But we'll leave that to you, sis. But yeah, it's super, super amazing. I love our company. I love that it's going up. That's why I'm passionate about what we do, is because behind the $10 membership that we share is a very solid, strong, company who's offering health and wellness products at a very affordable price. Not only that, it's it's putting high quality products on the table, on the shelves, on the market for many people to have access to, but they're also put the price down at a very affordable price, so there's more people can afford it. More people can afford the prices of our products. And not only that, they've created a membership where instead of them keeping the profit that they earn from the membership, they've created a membership just so that their members can earn great income from promoting. It's a no-brainer the way that they created the whole thing. That membership, Costco have a membership because they're in the same industry. They're in the subscription industry. Costco alone this year, they made 6.5 billion out of their membership, dollars from their membership alone, not the products. Costco make more money from their membership than the products. Okay, that's why their products are affordable as well compared to Kohl's and other companies, because their main source of income is from the membership. And we do have a membership at Costco because every now and then we like to go buy something from Costco. When it's an hour away from us, when we're around the area, we like to pop in at Costco and get some of our favorite stuff from Costco. But most of the time, we don't even go there. We pay like $65 a year, and we don't even go. We only shop like once or twice a year. And Costco is making a lot of money. Netflix is making a lot of money from this membership. How long have you been paying for your membership, for your Netflix membership? I've been paying for my membership for like over 10 years. I don't even know that. I don't even think about it. It's coming out every month. And, I like to talk about our people and the mindset of our people. So many Samoans, Pacific Islander people have been paying, like me, have been paying their Costco membership for years without even thinking of how much money that they are spending, even if they're not really watching movies. But it's just, and it's okay. It's okay for them. Like, if you have a bit, okay, that it's just, $9.95, or if you have a big family like me and have a lesi plan I was paying $18.95 a month. That's still a lot of money, but I never really, it just came out every month. And have you ever received anything back from Netflix apart from the movies? If you don't watch the movies, will Netflix say, okay, because you didn't watch movies, your movies last month, I'm going to refund you back your $18.95? No, they don't. And they're making so much money from their membership. That's exactly the same as our company. We pay $10 membership so we can have access to these products and so that we can run our business, so we can earn from the compensation plan. And the company, instead of keeping that $10, the company is paying us from, do you need skirts? And oh my gosh, these people. I'm getting offers of some wholesalers who want me to sell their products. I'm like, no, I'm not interested. I'm only selling these products. All right. But yeah, that's the mindset kang Samoa. So someone might come across our membership and say, okay, I want to pay $10. I want to have a membership. Iliko kampangi. And then umalola ia ole luma singa ile earn. Umaluma singa mo ile earn. And then now it's time to renew the membership because they're not doing anything. Okay. And it's okay. You can start whenever, but as long as you keep your membership active, you can start promoting whenever you can, whenever you're ready. But umalola inga renew oloo kemila renew wala membership lefa ko akasil masinga. I'm using your phone. 240. Yeah. Lela, I'm gonna wrap up. Okay. So oloo le kemila la renew wala masinga mo masinga lua, and then you start hearing people complain. Afai mai, oh, yeah, lela ko renew the membership ele imawa se kupe, ele imawa mai aso pay, and yet they've been spending money on Netflix and all those other membership stands and all those other membership. Ele ai maskupe mo mai ai leka kenga complain. But mind you, even if you're not doing anything in this business and just stay in there and stay active, you never know. We have things that's called spillover and playing earn my passively without really promoting or without really working your business, but that's long term. So say for example, wala was full go sanga kalunga fai kokongila membership or Netflix. Anga fa APS full go sanga nga lenga kongi ila membership ile afai nge ile they live good. E umanges full go sanga nga wa fia saka earning e maua mai because there's part of our compensation plan where we can still earn. But it's a long-term thing. It can take you a little while for you to work that and earn. So ole mai te kakang Samoa. Alwa ku pe fa mai mau kakangi ele mau mai se mea na nga kongi ko pe ele ka kai popole ai the moment that they start paying something towards their own goals, their own, achieving something for themselves. They're not just paying companies, money to another company. They're paying a membership that can help them achieve their goals. Aloha makanga. You're spending that $10 for you, man. Let it sink in. That $10 that you're spending on that membership, you're paying it for you. You're investing in your own future. You get that $10. The membership will pay for itself, or you'll earn weekly. But I don't know why people complain with the moment they start spending money for their own dreams, and yet they're paying money for Netflix, Netflix, and they never complain. They're like, it's okay for them to spend money. If so say 2 months ago, everyone, lawa fia members of Netflix fia milionga members of Netflix and we all got to pay $2 increase. We all got a letter saying that from September, luakala increase. Luakala increase, and yet I thought about like that too. Luakala, it doesn't really matter. So my Netflix increased from $18 to $21. It's okay, just pay the extra $2. What you don't know is that your extra $2 made Netflix over 600 million in profit. Increase. They've already made a lot of billions from the $9.95 that you're paying, or the $18.95 that you're paying, depending on what membership that you're paying. They're making billions of dollars from all these memberships, from these millions of people. But that month alone, November, 600 million more from the $2 that we pay towards the company, and yet it's okay. $21.95. Yeah, just keep paying it because Netflix need that money. I will cancel ingale membership nga kusapele makamakanga ko movie. Just take the money to Netflix because Netflix need the money. The Balangi who owns Netflix and their shareholders, they need that money. We don't need it. And then someone come across the $10 membership that, and you're hoping that if you're working, I'm talking about the people who are not working but doubting this, because those who are working are already making profit from this. And I'm not worried about those people, but you complain, you come in here the moment umainga kongin masinga mo alela ako renew ako masinga longalua alay loa kangaka lawa mal manama o mafainga o earn pea ong fungo foi ima fa active la not membership kay pero Netflix le active. Yeah, ili kay mo ki earn my yeah. That is something, that is planting something towards your towards your goal, your future. Kung ili seed for my kaya. Man, and you're spending that money for you. That $10 membership is for you. Oh, what's coming up on my TikTok live? Okay. Esa. Fai me le lokua. Kelele me aya. Malo, sis, I know. I'm looking forward to working with you, sis, and seeing you, take this business to the next level. But I gotta go with you. I got but that's my Faafetai today. I'll be doing more lives about our products. So follow up your sister Nivale ko anga Faafetai products, because I know that there's more people. If you're oloa, that they deserve to have access to these amazing, affordable products. But we have no Zoom tonight. We'll take a break. But we will Zoom again next week. Yeah, and for now, thank you guys on are you 7th day? Yes, I am, Tia. Where are you tuning in from? Yes, I am. I'm 7th day. That's why I'm doing business on Sunday. But yeah, great live. Thank you, Sue. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for your support. For you guys on TikTok. You're in Melbourne. I'm in Brisbane. So thank you so much for supporting. Thank you guys on Facebook. Faafetai tele lava le mafuta mai foi ile Faafetai nei afi. Yeah, manuia tele lava ia fofanga nei vai aso. I'm in Melbourne. Okay. And those of you on TikTok, if you're not a member and you're interested and want to know more information about what we do, or you're interested in the products, please, add me and send me a DM, and I will get some information for you guys. Thank you very much. People, for those of you on TikTok, it's best to connect on Facebook. So my name on Facebook is Deb Taase, Deb DEB, and last name is TAASE. But if you send me a DM, if you follow me and send me a DM, I will send you my details via Facebook, DM, so that we can connect on Facebook, or you can send me your email address and I can get you some details. But thank you, guys. Thank you, Irene. Oh, hey, Rin. Sorry, but Rin, did you get your pay, your first pay from the company? Sister Irene, all the way from Samoa, got her first pay on your hands on yesterday, on Friday. And man, business is now risk-free because she got her money back. And more. So anything else moving forward, girl, that's your pure profit. Totally, it's amazing. God is good. Okay, Manuel Mayaso again. Have a good day and God bless you all.